Shrutu Kulkarni from JSS School, Vidyagiri.
SS Vidyagiri School. The paper was overall good. It felt easy.
Myself Bhavani and Kavli from JSS CBSE Vidyagiri. It was a good experience writing entrance exam in Arjuna College.
So now presentation CBSE School Dharwad in the Bandidvi to Arjuna Science PU College Dharwad. So we came here to write the entrance exam.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕಾವಳೆ. ನಾವು ನಿಪ್ಪಾಣಿಂತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಬಹಳ ಚಲೋ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ.
Myself Vinith Gulagura and I am studying in 10th grade in KL School Raipur Dharwad.
Samarsi Patar from Government Adarsh Vidyalaya Dharwad, studying in class 10th. It was a nice experience about this exam.
My name is Sridhar Suryavanshi from Government Adarsh Vidyalaya Dharwad. The college is very nice and the exam was also good.
The questions were quite tricky, but also it was very fun to solve.
Very good experience for being a volunteer, sir. Last year ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗ ಬಂದು ಬರ್ತ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ and teachers ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅದಾರ and everything is good, sir.